Hi, it's me, Garrett,
And Janet.
from Portmonkeys, and we are on the island of Curaçao in a place called Cas Abao Beach. C-A-S-A-B-A-O, I think. And I don't know if it's a private beach or just private beach chairs. I don't know what the law is around here. I mean, in California, all beaches are public. You know, in some places, all beaches are public, but they set up this, and those you have to pay for. It was part of our excursion, though, so we get a chair and a soda. This is the snack bar. Don't worry, we're going to go down to the ocean in just a moment. And it has reasonable prices. We paid $4 for a basket of fries. We didn't buy any liquor, so I don't know, but this is a bar. That's the price list. That's the cactus. With this excursion, you get a free soda, but you got to go over there to get it. Or water, or lemonade. Not a free Janet, though. Now this is the bathroom, and they're free. However, the showers, which are right in front here, they cost. You have to get a coin. It was included in our tour. We have a ticket to get the coin to put in the shower to wash. Does that make sense? And then this is a snorkeling place. And dive. There was tanks here just a moment ago, like that. So there's some massive snorkels hanging up. Here's the dive team. They rent snorkel gear here, or they sell it, I don't know. I guess they got a lot of stuff in there to sell. They've got this sign. Right now they have Janet. Surfboards, paddleboards, kayaks. I don't see anybody on a paddleboard. I don't see anybody on a kayak. So I'm not sure why. Other than there's nobody on one. Now this is the end of the beach, right here. And look at that water. How clear it's that. Turquoise. Just super nice. We're not going to walk all the way down there, but we are going to walk in the water. You should know that there's pieces of coral, which you might call rock. There and right there, but out there it's sandy. Very sandy out there. And the water is warm. Very warm. Just hit a rock and roll. Coconut palms. Maybe there's one on the ground broken open. Cracked open. But it's very clear. This is the wave action, so no waves really. You're not going to surf here, you're not going to boogie board here. I mean, you could try. There's no law against trying, I guess. We went snorkeling over along that stretch of land there, and it's okay. It's clear, there's some fish. This is where you can get a massage. But there's almost no coral left. So it's just gray and rocky. But there's about 20 different kinds of fish. I think we paid $55 each US for this tour. And 5 hours, but it's almost an hour each way. But we're going to have by the time we leave, 3.5 hours here at the beach, which is enough for me. Hey, I turned around, going backwards. Look at the cactus up on the hill there. Can't see it on this side. But you see, you have to walk through that to get out to the water. Or you could just stand there. So from Cas Abao Beach in Curaçao, I'm Gary.
We'll see you next quarter. Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching.